त अब त्यही घर बेटा छ त्यति हैन अनि दुईटा छोराछोरी राम्रो थियो अन्न राम्रो थियो अब अहिले रोगी भयो
A year before earthquakes devastated central Nepal, a viral epidemic was spreading fast in the eastern part of the country. For weeks, hospitals received over 70 patients a day, all with similar symptoms. They all had hepatitis E, a viral infection that spread through the city's water supply. Sarita Murmur was 5 months pregnant when she got the virus. She lost her baby and ended up here.
Yeah, she's very serious because she needs ICU bed. But here we have only 5 bedded ICU.
Viral outbreaks like these are nothing new in Nepal. Every year, diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery kill thousands. But earlier this year, some officials worried that it could turn into the worst year yet. Recent earthquakes have displaced thousands of people. Many are still living in crowded tent camps with poor sanitation. More and more people are getting sick.
3-4 दिनलाई त भइरहेछ मेरै परिवारलाई भइरहेछ चारा पर्ला मेरो नातिलाई भयो अब मेरो भाइको नातिलाई पनि भयो मेरो भाउजूलाई ज्वरो आयो कामले ज्वरो आयो
Ken Shadul has been living in this tent camp with 36 of his family members for months. The camps were supposed to be a temporary solution. But after a second major earthquake and many aftershocks later, people are still afraid to go home.
के थाहा न अब कति बस्नु पर्यो भने थाहै छैन पटकबाट आइरहेछ त्यसैको त्रास भइरहेछ मान्छेलाई यो सबैलाई मलाई मात्र होइन सबैलाई त्रास भइरहेछ.
But the longer they stay, the greater the health risk for everyone. One major concern among health experts are the camp's toilets. Many are simple holes in the ground. They're full of flies that can carry pathogens to humans. Bacteria from feces can seep into the groundwater.
This is going to bring back those kind of like fecal matters back into our food cycle. So once it comes into our food cycle, then there is a very, very high chances of epidemic.
Another concern is the damaged water infrastructure in earthquake-affected cities. In Kathmandu, some pipes date back 100 years. Now, they're cracked and leaking. And Nepal faces a monsoon season every summer. Heavy rains could carry feces from the open toilets in tent camps and send it right into the city's water supply. That could cause an increase in viral outbreaks. That's how the hepatitis E virus got into Bharatnagar's drinking water. It's Nepal's third largest city, yet it doesn't have proper sewage infrastructure. Human waste runs alongside streets and ends up in open waters. Officials say the contamination occurred when a water pipe broke during construction. Sewage from the ground seeped in, infecting over 7,000 people. Only about 1 to 2% of people die from hepatitis E. But that number shoots up to 25% for pregnant women like Sarita. As hope of a recovery faded, her family took her home to die among relatives. She didn't make it that far. Everyone in Sarita's village uses well water to drink and bathe with. But only she got hepatitis E. It's still unclear exactly how she got the virus. In all, 14 people died from the hepatitis E outbreak in Bharatnagar. A vaccine for hepatitis E exists, but currently it's only licensed for use in China.
पानी नराम्रो त यस्तो रोगी हुँदैछ मान्छे कोही डन्डिस कोही टाइफाइड पानी हो अरू कुरा केही होइन